Here is my next question to ChatGPT. Provide top 20 loadrunner correlation issues and solutions. An answer is here. As a language model, I cannot provide a pre-made list of top 20 loadrunner correlation issues and solutions. However, I can provide some general information about correlation in loadrunner. In loadrunner, correlation is the process of extracting dynamic values from server responses and replacing them with parameterized values that can be used in subsequent requests. Correlation is essential for scripting web applications that use dynamic values, such as session IDs and authentication tokens. Some common issues that can arise with correlation in loadrunner include missing correlation, when a dynamic value is not captured and parameterized, causing subsequent requests to fail. Incorrect correlation, when a dynamic value is captured but not replaced with the correct parameterized value, causing subsequent requests to fail. Overcorrelation, when too many dynamic values are captured and parameterized, leading to unnecessary overhead and decreased performance. Undercorrelation, when not enough dynamic values are captured and parameterized, leading to incorrect test results. Regular expression errors, when regular expressions used for correlation are incorrect or not specific enough, causing capture and parameterization to fail. Parameterization errors, when parameterized values are not properly configured or used in subsequent requests, causing test failures. Session management issues, when sessions are not properly managed, causing dynamic values to change unexpectedly and breaking correlation. CSRF protection, when web applications use CSRF protection techniques, causing dynamic values to change unpredictably and breaking correlation. Framework-specific issues, when web applications use frameworks that require specific correlation techniques, such as Angular or React. AJAX and JavaScript errors, when web applications use AJAX or JavaScript to generate dynamic values, causing correlation to fail. Client-side caching, when client-side caching is not properly managed, causing dynamic values to be reused and breaking correlation. Response time delays, when server responses are delayed, causing dynamic values to expire and breaking correlation. Load balancing, when web applications use load balancing techniques, causing dynamic values to be distributed across multiple servers and breaking correlation. Virtualization, when web applications are virtualized, causing dynamic values to change unexpectedly and breaking correlation. SSL encryption, when web applications use SSL encryption, causing dynamic values to be encrypted and difficult to capture and correlate. Server-side errors, when server-side errors occur, causing dynamic values to be returned in error messages and breaking correlation. Content encoding, when web applications use content encoding techniques, causing dynamic values to be difficult to capture and correlate. Encoding and decoding errors, when dynamic values are not properly encoded or decoded, causing correlation to fail. Authentication errors, when authentication is not properly managed, causing dynamic values to change unexpectedly and breaking correlation. Lack of expertise, when testers are not familiar with correlation techniques and best practices, causing correlation to be improperly implemented and leading to test failures. The solutions to these issues will depend on the specific application being tested and the context in which correlation is being used. Generally, solutions will involve identifying the root cause of the correlation issue, modifying the correlation script to correctly capture and parameterize the dynamic value, and verifying that subsequent requests use the correct parameterized value. It may also be necessary to adjust test parameters or application settings to ensure that dynamic values are properly managed and that correlation is successful.